Do you know why I call this meeting? I call this meeting because I am not happy. First, I am not happy with some of my tenants. Somebody like Juliet, Nana, and Okoro. But the problem is that Okoro, his girlfriend is here. That is why I call this meeting, to tell you people that I'm not happy. That's one. And another thing is that when you look at this particular crate, you know, whenever we brought out this drink, that means there is a new tenant. So I want to use this opportunity to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Madam
Oracle.
Mr. and Mrs. again.
Oracle.
Mr. and Mrs. Oracle as one of the tenants in my compound. So that is what I call it here.
Oga Landlord.
Madam Tenant.
Please don't be offended. If what I'm about saying looks like an insult. Is it anybody you see on the street?
Hold it there. Wait, hold it. If you know that what you have to say here is unreasonable, it's better you seek your mouth. Because I've known you as someone that talk unreasonable something. Right on.
Is it anybody you see on the street that you welcome into your house? Even with mad people.
Who is mad? Who are you calling a madman? My own husband? You must be very mad. It's your generation that is very mad. Even your unborn children, they are all mad. Look at you.
It is your generation that is mad. You and your husband are mad. Mad people.
Simple is talking. I shall go and marry. I know you're jealous of my husband.
Jealous of Madam, men looking at your husband with the way he's behaving, there is no difference between him and a madman. Oga Landlord. Oga Landlord.
See the person I'm trying to defend.
Oga Landlord.
Madam Tenant.
Let me tell you something. Men looking at this, they are mad. They are mad. They are not normal. So there's a parable that goes like this: that when Papa will not say before we act mad. You better look into this, especially me that goes naked anytime in this compound. If this man rape me or do me something bad, I will take it from you, or either you.
Madam,
I will not take easy from anybody.
Madam, did you hear her? Yes, did you hear my tenant?
Yes, sir.
The other day, the day you came looking for house here, I asked you for football. Ask you, Nkebo. Ask you, Nketo. No, he said yes, it's fine, it's normal. What I want to tell you is that if this your husband continue with this madness, when you're not going to church, I will have no other choice than to push you out of this company.
Okay,
Uncle.
This is not my first visit to my brother's house. I've been visiting here often and often. And I know majority of your tenants. This kind of people you brought in here, I've told you, your urge for money is unbecoming. How could you bring in mentally drained person into my brother's home?
See, brother, Uncle, this thing you just said now. It makes me remember the said I said now.
You brought it upon yourself. Look at
out of love of money. Love of money, so many of them are owing me 6 months, managing 1 year. I am suffering, that is why I call you.
You brought it upon yourself.
Help me.
You brought it upon yourself. Okay, you better calm your tenants. Calm your tenants. Because they are right. One day this man will rape your tenant and you will bear the brunt.
My tenant, please. You have no need to be a very nice man. This is drink. You have to drink and come down. As surprised as you are, that is me too. I am also surprised. I don't know that this man's is this level. I can't remember.
Let me tell you something, Landlord. Ndi was what back here when no fair. Papa were I and besides, madam, let me tell you because your husband is mad.
There we go.
Look at them. Ashawo. Husband crashers.
No.
If an eme, things just they happen. If a kante, bakutelente no no. Ngwanes obodani, obodona bagalagala. Konye chili konye. Makampuli kolo, uli kuroki gagoro. Konye metala nature.
Oracle, my husband. Look at yourself. See the way you're misbehaving. As if you are a mad person. I can't even believe this. All your mates now, they are outside looking for what their family will eat. But you're here misbehaving. Now I'm about going out to look for something we eat. And you're here as the head of the family misbehaving. I'm no longer happy with you. I'm no longer happy with you. Imagine me as your wife. I'm the one taking care of the whole family. It's not fair. It's not fair. Oh. Good afternoon, sir.
Hey! I told you. This man is not mad.
He's not a madman.
Come on, Michelle. Who will be normal? Name me Silva. Huh?
He's fine.
He's fine. I pray so. It's my prayer. But it will be fair, Abron. See, the only advice I have for you is better take this man to, where do they call it? Psychiatrist. One, exactly. Psychiatrist. But that is where people like him belong. No problem ever. Yeah? If you fail to do what I told you, I will balance you. My problem is that I don't know what is wrong with this my compound. I don't know what is happening in this my compound. The other day it was Juliet. Because of Deborah. A madman in my compound. Or else I
He's not a madman.
You better you take him to psychiatrist. It's not psychiatrist. Whatever for your jail because I cannot stay here with you. I cannot share my company with you when you share drama.
Yes, sir.
Is this how we be? On a raptor come here. On a raptor mire one eye. Is someone who now? Matter what tell you.
Landlord, when you are Landlord, Landlord,
stay well, don't go anywhere. I'm coming.
Landlord, Neziano no Buddha di Mao. Oh, wahala digo. Ay.
Sorry. You get better, right?
I'm gonna call the cab.
Let me take this to the hospital. You get better.
What is happening here?
Landlord. One of the symptoms of COVID-19 is having difficulty in breathing.
Yeah.
And that's what she's going through now.
Hey!
Call the cab.
Come! This, no need, you are just wasting your time. You are wasting your time because it is just clear. She has already contracted the disease. So the best thing you will do is just to carry her go up so that I will go inside and call the agency's company so they will come and take her out.
Landlord, please let's help her. She's dying. I will take her to the hospital.
I should tell somebody that is affected with the disease.
Let's help her.
I will call the agency company.
She's
Better you take her
dying.
out. And make sure, after taking her up, come down and sanitize this place because a mom may bring company. Do you hear me?
Landlord, let's help her. She's dying.
I should come and help her.
Sorry.
Hey! Oh yeah, but I go for them.
Sorry. No.
You get better, right?
Sorry. I'm not going. I want to
Let me take you to the hospital.
Go and get a
Yeah,
cab.
I'm taking you to.
Get a cab.
Hello?